off to a screaming start with one of the boldest and brashest theme parks of them all. Every year, over 7 million people scream their way through Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Why do we do it? Blackpool Pleasure Beach, the most visited theme park in the UK. Every year, over 1 million ice creams are eaten. 500,000 burgers are sold on site. And 20,000 packets of toilet roll are used up. I bet you really wanted to know that one. The more punters they get, the more rides they squeeze in, making Blackpool a jungle of a theme park.
Well, Blackpool's a place I've always wanted to come to, and the girls have been on and on at me to bring them here, and it's just a dream come true, really.
These theme park junkies were up at the crack of dawn to travel hundreds of miles to Blackpool. Will it be worth it? Will the Big Dipper live up to its name?
And you just feel as though your stomach's loose and keep going up and down and up and down,
At Blackpool, there's the old and the new, the Woodies and the Steelies. To roller coaster aficionados, it makes a difference.
I like the steely ones, they're a lot higher, but the gentler ones, the wooden, they're a lot more rickety and it makes it sort of more frightening.
The PlayStation is Blackpool's latest thrill. 210 feet of pure G-force. Blackpool Pleasure Beach call it the air-powered experience of a lifetime. We'll soon see. Oh! And they weren't kidding. Look at my hands! Look at them! Ladies, come here, can you stand? The worst bit is you get right to the top and you leave your seat. It's so hideous. What did you think?
This is brilliant.
Did you really enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you not feel sick?
No.
What about you?
Yeah, it's good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
I need to have a sit down.
I chickened out, but I did wave.
Wow, you're still smiling. How was it?
Brilliant, yeah.
Would you go on it again?
Yeah. I have butterflies in my stomach.
Screamability factor 1 to 10, not suggesting, of course, that you would scream.
9.
9. And did you scream? Come on, be honest, between you and me.
No, I just couldn't.
The last ride to cause a stir was the big one. They say it's the tallest, fastest roller coaster in Europe. Joe, you've just been on the big one. What did you think?
It's it's well mad.
The Pepsi Max give you real, gave me a thrill on the ride there.
It just goes down that far and your stomach turns over. I love the drop, the first drop.
The suspense of getting to the top and then it's just all over so quick.
I can say nothing at this point. But I don't even know if I can walk. Were you two brave enough to go on there? Never. You're not seeing my breakfast anymore. There is an alternative, though, for those of you who want a more gentle way to spend your day. Here at Blackpool, you don't just get one theme park, you get two. Beaver Creek is a theme park within a theme park, especially for younger children. Some children have been coming to Blackpool for over 40 years.
I actually saw this ride when I was a child, and it was love at first sight. And as I left school and got older, I came to Blackpool and applied for a job.
And how long have you actually been on this ride?
I started on the beach in 1958 and I came on this ride in 63.
Wow.
Though the rides have changed, children haven't. They still have fun on these grounds.
Even walking around the Pleasure Beach is an experience in itself, and if you've got an eye for tack, there's plenty of it here. terrifically tasteless whichever way you turn.
Can I have that one?
Yep.
Oh no, hang on a minute, hang on. Oh, that rabbit, he's so cute. I'll have that one.
Putting on the inside. But who's going to do it now with 100 yards to go?
Now you're quite a connoisseur of theme parks. How do you find this one compared to others?
There's a nice atmosphere and there's loads of roller coasters and millions of rides and it's near the beach and everything.
Some of the things are a bit tacky, but some of the things like the souvenirs are really nice to take home with you when you've gone quite a long way, which I've got some.
Well, I couldn't resist them. I mean, look at them.
There's no entrance fee at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, you just pay for the rides you go on. Take advantage in March because they're all at a special promotional price of 60p when the Pleasure Beach is open at weekends only. Blackpool Pleasure Beach will be open every day from Good Friday.
And look, my own personalised mug. Don't you just love it? That will sit very nicely on our UKOK tower of tax. Check it out. Very kitschy, isn't it? And as we travel around the country, we'll be collecting up all those sad souvenirs that are so much a part of British life.